best performance cars for 2024, 2023 BMW M5. As the automotive industry looks forward to the best performance cars of 2024, the 2023 BMW M5 emerges as a frontrunner, showcasing a blend of unparalleled power, cutting-edge technology, and refined luxury. This iconic sports sedan continues to uphold BMW's legacy of producing vehicles that offer an exhilarating driving experience without compromising on comfort or sophistication. The 2023 BMW M5 makes a bold visual statement with its aggressive and aerodynamic design. The muscular lines, prominent kidney grille, and sculpted bodywork create an imposing presence on the road. Enhancing its sporty appeal are the sleek LED headlights, quad exhaust outlets, and distinct M-specific design elements, which not only accentuate its aesthetic appeal but also contribute to its superior aerodynamic efficiency. Under the hood, the M5 is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a staggering 600 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which includes a selectable rear-wheel drive mode for purists who crave a traditional rear-wheel drive experience. This combination allows the M5 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans on the market. The M5's dynamic handling is further enhanced by its adaptive M suspension and M-specific chassis tuning, which provide precise control and agility in various driving conditions. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising at high speeds, the M5 offers a balanced and responsive driving experience that sets it apart from its competitors. Inside, the 2023 BMW M5 is a sanctuary of luxury and advanced technology. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents. The M-specific sport seats offer exceptional support and comfort, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience for both short sprints and long journeys. The advanced iDrive infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen, gesture control, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system, ensures that drivers and passengers remain connected and entertained. Safety and driver assistance technologies are also paramount in the M5. The vehicle is equipped with a comprehensive suite of features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind for all driving scenarios. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the BMW M5 exemplifies the perfect fusion of power, luxury, and innovation. Its bold design, extraordinary performance, and sophisticated features make it a top choice for driving enthusiasts seeking an adrenaline-fueled experience without sacrificing comfort or style. In a highly competitive market, the 2023 BMW M5 stands out as a symbol of BMW's commitment to engineering excellence and driving pleasure. With its blend of raw power, precision handling, and luxurious amenities, the M5 continues to captivate drivers and secure its place among the elite performance cars of 2024.